In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get CapCut Pro features for free. I mean, every feature on CapCut that is Pro, you're going to get it for free. This method is called the funny method because it is something you will not expect, but it actually helps a lot. So please subscribe to this channel if you think it's interesting.
Yeah, so we are going to use Pro captions for this video. I mean, we are going to use Pro features here for our caption, and we are going to choose this one and generate the caption.
Yeah, this will.
It's going to be totally free.
Well, let me do.
Yes, our caption is generated. The caption is generated. Let's see how it is. All right, as you can see, the caption is on point. Very nice. All right. So the next thing we are going to do is to, add another Pro feature. Okay. So let's use a video effect. Let's go to Pro and select this particular one.
Check that. I need to.
Let's see how it looks like. All right. So as you can see, let's select this one too. Yeah, so these are all Pro features we are adding. Okay. All right, so as you can see, they are all Pro features. Okay, they are all Pro features we are adding. All right. Now we are going to try and export these Pro features and see if it will be allowed or if we will be allowed. Okay, good. So we go to export, and as you can see, we are not allowed to export these Pro features. So this is where the method comes in. Okay, this is where the funny method comes in, and the method is that we are going to do screen recording of the entire video. Okay, so after screen recording the entire video, we then crop it. Okay, so you go to your screen recorder and you record the entire video to channel without considering the CPM of the niche you are or the niche you want to enter, unless maybe you are doing it for passion. Okay, all right, so after recording the entire video, you will have to bring it back to CapCut here, and then that is where we start our editing. So here we are going to crop our video, okay, to remove the unwanted areas from it. Okay, so we are going to crop our video. All right, so what you do is you click on the video and you look for transform, and then you go to resize. Okay, yes, you select 16:9 and you make sure the video fits in very well. Okay, so once it fits in, yeah, we are good to go. We are done with the first step. So you click on the line up there. So the next thing is to look for aspect ratio. Okay, we select 16:9, and it is going to automatically change our video into the YouTube form, as you can see here. So that is how it is. Okay, this is the funny method I am talking about. Okay, in fact, it is funny, but it helps a lot. Okay, so this is the outcome of the video. Now, as considering the CPM of the niche you are or the niche you want to enter. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video if it is very helpful to you, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.